Assuming we clear out the lines, the most hypnotizing star I perceive is the star that could be stunning in our sky. It is this one, Bug Press or Scarab Pound. It's a red monster star, and on the far-off probability that you put it where the sun is, it would loosen up to the circle of Jupiter. It's giant, totally unusual, and going to detonate. It's not so exceptionally clear as it gives off an impression of being in the universe. These massive events, like the most apprehensive colossal starbursts, could shake all that we see, and even what we don't. Regardless of this, Betelgeuse has been considered a sign, a red, outstandingly monster star that is essentially more gigantic than our sun. Brian Cox and other space researchers figure it could go cosmic explosion. Individuals are normally scared by what could happen since the James Webb Space Telescope is catching staggering photos of the star. When precisely will creepy, crawly Jews become a cosmic explosion, and what titanic effect will it have on Earth? Let us dive into it. Insect Jew is a star in the heavenly body Orion that shines so brightly that even individuals from ancient times have noticed it. The wonderful star, Scarab Juice, is located on the eastern shoulder of the constellation Orion. Bug Jew is the second largest star in the heavenly body. Its name comes from its position, the beast's shoulder. It is one of the most brilliant stars in the night sky. On top of being unimaginably splendid, the star is additionally an odd shade of red, which, as we will see, proposes trouble. We've known about Scarab Jews for a long time. A Greek eyewitness named Tus additionally studied it. Around that time, the primary thing individuals recognized about stars was their variety. Tus noticed that it was a weak orange star. Researchers have been focusing on the star considerably more closely as of late, and now they have a clear idea of what works. Interestingly brilliant. One of these attributes is that the star's brilliance vacillates altogether, with an extent of 0.6. Betelgeuse is a variable star, meaning its splendor changes over time. As of late, specialists found some new data about the star. In 2019, space experts first noticed that Bug Jew was acting surprisingly. While it didn't totally quit sparkling, it turned out to be fundamentally less brilliant, diminishing to a greatness of around 1.6. Researchers immediately began exploring why the 10th most brilliant star overhead was acting so sporadically. Specialists expected to give a clarification for the abnormal signs they saw from the star. As indicated by their discoveries, Insect Jews could go cosmic explosion at any second. Brian Cox, a popular researcher and professor of particle physics at the University of Manchester, shared this disturbing perception. As a notable science communicator, Cox's insights are not to be trifled with. He recommends that creepy, crawly Jews resembles a ticking delayed bomb, prepared to detonate without advance notice. The James Webb Space Telescope has provided critical proof to support this case. But what strange signs has creepy, crawly Jews displayed that have caused such worry among space experts? Regardless of being classified as a cosmic explosion candidate, researchers remain unsure about when it will detonate. One justification for this is that Bug Jews is twice the mass of the Sun, a star they say should be a few times the Sun's mass to be classified as a cosmic explosion candidate. Stargazers have utilized different instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope and the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory to study Betelgeuse. However, what they have tracked down remains a secret. Scarab Jews, born on August 31st billions of years ago, has recently shown confounding finishes paperwork. For instance, stargazers noticed exceptional light waves and darkening cycles that were 2 times as quick as before. In 2019, the star experienced what is now called the Great Darkening, when its splendor dropped significantly to an unprecedented level. While this event caused frenzy and led to forecasts of a fast-approaching cosmic explosion, the star startlingly lit up again, becoming 150% more brilliant than ordinary. Andrea Dupree, an astrophysicist at the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, noticed that Betelgeuse had turned into the 7th most brilliant star overhead. This red, very giant star is approaching the end of its life. Its red gleam is caused by a surface temperature of around 3,500 K, a lot cooler than the Sun's 5,500 Kelvin. BJ's emotional variances in splendor have led researchers to guess that it could detonate sooner than anticipated. Anyway, precisely when this will happen remains, quite possibly, one of the greatest secrets in space science. For the present, a large number of telescopes are closely monitoring this unusual star. Scarab Jew's possible blast as a cosmic explosion has intrigued space experts for a long time. If also, when it detonates, the event will be visible from Earth, even during the daytime, because of its huge energy discharge. Cosmic explosions' true potential is rare in our galaxy, with only a few happening each century. The blast would release more energy in no time flat than the Sun will release in its entire lifetime. However, what does this mean for Earth? Fortunately, Creepy Crawly Jews is situated about 6,425 light-years away, a safe distance for our planet. While the cosmic explosion would not hurt life on Earth, it would create a breathtaking show overhead. The light from the blast could be as brilliant as a full moon and linger for a long time, or even months. Researchers are particularly excited about observing such an event since it offers a unique opportunity to study the life cycle of massive stars and the creation of heavy elements like gold and uranium, which cosmic explosions scatter into the universe. Pieces of information from Creepy Crawly Jew's pulse. Insect Jew has shown a throb pattern. Its splendor and size sway over time, almost like a star's pulse. These throbs give significant information about the star's internal cycles. During the Great Darkening in 2019 to 2020, stargazers initially believed Bug Jew was approaching its hazardous end. However, further investigation uncovered a massive release of material from the star's surface, potentially forming a dust storm that briefly blocked its light. This discovery shifted researchers' understanding of red supergiants. It demonstrated how these stars could shed vast amounts of material even before their final collapse. The event highlighted the capricious nature of Scarab Jews and raised more questions than it answered. What happens when Bug Jew detonates? When Betelgeuse finally goes cosmic explosion, its core will collapse under gravity, triggering a violent blast that will expel its outer layers into space. This will create a stunning cloud visible from Earth, possibly resembling the Crab Nebula, which was formed by a cosmic explosion observed in 1054 AD. The aftermath of the blast will likely leave behind a neutron star or potentially a black hole. Astrophysicists are closely observing Scarab Jew using advanced instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope and gravitational wave detectors. These devices can detect subtle changes in the star's structure or surrounding space, offering valuable clues about its imminent fate. The cultural impact of Creepy Crawly Jews. Betelgeuse has long captured the imagination of mankind. The James Webb Space Telescope has potentially been one of the most valuable instruments in this endeavor, offering an unprecedented view of the star and its surrounding environment. The telescope's ability to observe infrared light allows researchers to peer through cosmic dust and gas, unveiling the complex behavior of Bug Jew and other stars in similar stages of evolution. By observing Betelgeuse through this lens, scientists are gathering more data that may shed light on its fate and help answer many of the lingering questions surrounding it. In addition to providing insight into the life cycle of supergiant stars, the study of Betelgeuse offers broader implications for understanding stellar evolution. The processes that lead a star like Bug Jew to its explosive death are a crucial part of the cosmic cycle, influencing the formation of new stars, planets, and potentially even life itself. The materials released during a cosmic explosion are key to the creation of heavy elements, such as gold, silver, and uranium, which are essential for the development of planets and the conditions necessary for life. The final moments of Betelgeuse will undoubtedly be a momentous event, providing a rare opportunity to observe firsthand the destruction and transformation of a star. If it does explode in the near future, the resulting cosmic display will not only be a spectacular sight, but also an invaluable opportunity for scientists to study the fundamental processes that govern the universe. For now, the mystery of Betelgeuse continues to captivate astronomers and skywatchers alike. Whether it erupts tomorrow or thousands of years from now, the star's fate remains a topic of fascination, as it serves as a reminder of the dynamic, ever-changing nature of the universe. With the tools at their disposal, researchers are better equipped than ever to unlock the secrets of this enigmatic star. But as with all great mysteries in space, the final answer may take time to uncover. In the meantime, Betelgeuse will remain a prominent feature of the night sky. Its red hue, a striking reminder of the power and unpredictability of the cosmos. And as we look up, we are reminded that the universe, with all its vastness and complexity, continues to unfold its secrets before us, one star at a time. The best instruments examiners have utilized up to this point, starting around 2021, are the James Webb Space Telescope. It has been in space and has helped experts gather a ton of significant data about insect squeeze. The new photos of insect juices striking darkening, taken by this telescope, have shown that the event caused a huge mass launch. Based on new research, we now realize that this mass launch was around 400 billion times more significant than a regular coronal mass discharge. The James Webb Space Telescope can also notice things that our eyes can't see, like light waves and frequencies. Consequently, experts are excited about what the telescope will reveal. Scientists have seen dust clouds forming on the star's surface that seem to resemble leaves. In space, that doesn't appear to make sense, but regardless of the way that creepy crawly juice is approaching its end, experts are still paying close attention to it because they don't know exactly when it will go supernova. Researchers believe that scarab juice is substantially more massive than the Sun and that this brilliant red star will shine for the next 10 years. However, considering the many strange things occurring with the star, it's difficult to say whether this prediction will come true. After the exceptional dimming, specialists don't think creepy crawly juice will detonate anytime soon. If Betelgeuse were to detonate, it would be the first supernova seen by humankind since Johannes Kepler noticed one in 1604. Specialists also believe this shouldn't happen soon, as they are still focusing on the star's uncommon behavior. Despite Betelgeuse's potential destruction, the exact timetable remains a mystery. If we examine the universe without bias, one of the most captivating stars, and perhaps the most extraordinary in our sky, is Bug Squeeze, commonly referred to as scarab squash. This red giant star, if placed where the Sun is, would extend to Jupiter's orbit. This massive yet unstable star is near the brink of an explosion. However, the universe doesn't work in such direct terms. Massive events like supernova occurrences have the potential to significantly change our perspective. While the possibility of insect juice going supernova looms, researchers are still attempting to figure out the exact timetable of its annihilation. As analysts continue gathering data from advanced space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and the Hubble Space Telescope, they remain cautious about predicting an imminent explosion, despite the star's strange behavior, including irregular dimming and brightening cycles. There is no certainty about when scarab juice will finally reach the end of its life. Some speculate that it might still take millennia before the star detonates, while others believe it may happen much sooner, possibly within the next few years or even months. The incredible data gathered by these powerful telescopes, along with Betelgeuse's erratic conduct, keeps researchers on edge. They are carefully monitoring the situation, using every tool available to detect subtle changes that could indicate a supernova is near. When scarab juice does finally detonate, it will send shockwaves through the universe, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. The blast will briefly outshine the whole sky, appearing from Earth as bright as the full moon. While this event will be a spectacular celestial display, it won't pose a direct threat to Earth, as the star is over 600 light-years away. Nonetheless, the supernova will provide a valuable opportunity for researchers to study the final stages of a massive star's life and the phenomena associated with such a violent event. Betelgeuse's approaching end isn't just a scientific interest. It is a symbol of the vastness and unpredictability of the universe. Stars like Betelgeuse play a crucial role in the life cycle of galaxies, enriching the universe with the elements needed for new stars, planets, and potentially life itself. The death of such a star is not an end, but rather a transformation, as it releases heavy elements that will eventually seed new celestial systems. In the meantime, researchers continue to observe scarab juice and its behavior, unraveling the mystery of its future. With each new discovery, the riddle grows, and our understanding of the universe expands. Perhaps in the near future, we will witness one of the most extraordinary events in the universe. Creepy crawly juice's transformation from a massive red giant into a stunning supernova. Until then, the sky will remain a canvas of wonder, with insect juice shining brightly as a reminder of the transient nature of life in the universe. The inevitable fate of Betelgeuse sparks both scientific curiosity and a sense of cosmic humility. Observing the star serves as a reminder of our place in the universe, a small part of a vast, interconnected web of celestial births, deaths, and transformations. When Betelgeuse eventually goes supernova, the event will not only captivate cosmologists and astrophysicists, but will also resonate with the public, sparking awe and interest in the universe. Such a dramatic celestial phenomenon could also reignite broader interest in space exploration, scientific discovery, and our quest to understand the origins and eventual fate of the universe. For now, creepy crawly juice stands as a testament to the dynamic, ever-changing nature of the universe. Stars like Betelgeuse are not only massive furnaces generating the elements necessary for life, but also milestones in the timeline of existence, signaling that change, often violent and dramatic, is a constant in the universe. As we continue to study this mysterious star, we are reminded that each revelation brings us one step closer to unraveling the secrets of space. From the dust clouds forming on its surface to the irregular dimming events, each observation adds another layer to our understanding of celestial life cycles. Future advancements in telescope technology and astrophysical modeling may eventually pinpoint the exact timeline of Betelgeuse's transformation. Until then, researchers will keep their eyes on the skies, knowing that when Betelgeuse finally erupts in a brilliant supernova, it will be a rare event that reshapes our understanding of the universe. For humanity, this event will serve as both a scientific achievement and a profound reminder of the impermanence and beauty of everything in the universe. As we gaze toward the sky, stars like Betelgeuse remind us that the universe, in all its complexity and wonder, continues to evolve, inspiring us to explore, learn, and dream. As the universe evolves, so too does our understanding of the fundamental processes that shape it. Stars like Betelgeuse, with their fleeting yet profound existence, provide crucial insights into the life cycles of celestial bodies and the forces that govern them. The eventual explosion of Betelgeuse will not only be an awe-inspiring spectacle, but also an invaluable scientific event, offering new opportunities to deepen our understanding of the cosmos. In addition to the immediate scientific benefits, the study of such cosmic phenomena also serves a broader purpose: to inspire future generations of astronomers, physicists, and explorers. As we continue to advance in our technological capabilities, we are becoming more equipped to probe the mysteries of the universe, pushing the boundaries of knowledge and discovery. The eventual fate of Betelgeuse reminds us of the fragility and impermanence inherent in all things, whether celestial or earthly. It emphasizes the importance of scientific inquiry and our quest for understanding, offering a humbling perspective on our place in the grand, ever-expanding universe. While the destruction of Betelgeuse may mark the end of one chapter in the story of the stars, it is also the beginning of another, a new cycle of creation and transformation that will shape the future of the cosmos. As we look to the sky and contemplate the ultimate fate of Betelgeuse, we are reminded that the universe is a dynamic and constantly changing entity. Our exploration of space and the mysteries it holds is far from complete, and the discoveries we make today will set the stage for even more remarkable revelations in the future. Whether it's the fiery explosion of a star like Betelgeuse or the quiet formation of new stars and galaxies, every moment in the universe is part of a grand, ongoing story. A story that we are privileged to witness and unravel as we continue our journey through the stars.